Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can change sky in Motionleap app. You can download this Motionleap apps before on Google Play Store or the App Store, and just going to open and select your photos that you want to edit. And I already added a photo, and then just going to sky option in the bottom. So select this one, sky as you like. So this select this one. You can click play button. This is moving sky. So for instance, just click export button in the top right corner, so you can change this option here. Okay, this is how to change sky in Motionleap. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. You can click thanks button for appreciate your thanks. Bye bye.